హాయ్ హలో అందరికీ నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ టు V20 టీవీ. నేను మీ బంగారు రాజు. సో ఈరోజు మన ఇంటర్వ్యూ చాలా కొత్తగా ఉండబోతుంది అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఫన్ అండ్ ఫన్నీగా ఉండబోతుంది. సో ఎందుకంటే టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ మిస్ అలీషా మిలాని అండ్ సో చాలామంది తెలుసు, నిర్బంధం సినిమా చూసిన వాళ్ళందరికీ తను బాగా గుర్తుకుండిపోతుంది. షీఈ్ వెరీ నోన్ పర్సన్ టు హూ ఆర్ వాచ్డ్ నిర్బంధం మూవీ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు. సో అండ్ ఈరోజు మనతో ఉన్నారు. సరదాగా ఆమెతోటి మాట్లాడి కాసేపు ఆమె ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు ఏంటి అని చెప్పేసి అన్ని కనుక్కునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే సో ఎవరు కూడా తప్పు అనుకోవద్దు. అండ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ హిందీ వెరీ మచ్. అండ్ సో నేను ఎందుకు చేసినంటే she don't know Telugu very much, so that's why I'm speaking to in English and Hindi. So I will try and I will give my best in English and don't ఏమంటారు ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ థింక్ బ్యాడ్. ఓకే అండ్ కింద కామెంట్లు పెట్టకు రబ్బా. చలో రైట్. హాయ్ మేడం.
Hello, thank you for the introduction.
पहले बोलना पड़ता हो.
सही बात है.
So after interview they will comment section, so very bad language, so that's when
No, people will appreciate you.
I'm
for
clarifying
learning.
madam.
People will appreciate you for learning and trying.
Thank you madam. And so did you learn Telugu?
No, not yet, but I'm on my way of learning Telugu. So yeah.
Why
People, want me to get into Telugu and Tamil. So they want to see me on that screen. So definitely for fans are like, you live for them.
Yeah.
You work for them, for their happiness. So if they want, who can deny? So yeah, definitely.
So in the my point of view, you are doing Telugu movies now, so that's why I'm just asking, why did you not learn Telugu?
Achha, not yet. Okay, because actually I have been blessed with amazing directors and ADs. They help me a lot. They prompt and then I learn my dialogues and they explain me the whole scene, and according to that I give my expressions. So it really doesn't bother me too much.
Okay, do you remember any Telugu dialogue in your movies, from your movies?
All I know is Naku Telugu Radu.
అచ్చే బాత్. బేసికల్ ఏంటంటే సో నాకు తెలుగు రాదే, నీకు అర్థమైంది కదా, చప్పడానికి ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేయనట్టుందంట అనమాట. ఓకే అండ్ సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ అండ్ వేర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ప్రాపర్?
I'm from basically Maharashtra. I live near Nagpur, but because of my career it's been like a couple of months I'm in Hyderabad.
Okay. And in which year you did come to Hyderabad?
Actually I have my relatives over here. So it's been since my childhood I have been visiting Hyderabad. So I visit more often, but properly it's been like a year now.
Okay, so before you coming to this film industry, what do you do?
I was all into academics, like studying and going to debate competition, speech competition, dancing, anchoring, and I also used to teach students. So I was all into multitasking kind of.
Actually, I watched some of your videos of you. In those videos, you are singing very well.
Singing?
Yeah, singing.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So your voice is so nice and a very sweet voice. So for me and for audience and for your friends, can you sing a song which is your favorite or anything from Hindi or Telugu, English?
Okay, why not? When it comes to singing for a fan, I can do anything.
Yeah, okay.
मैं तुझसे ही छुप छुप कर तेरी आँखें पढ़ती हूँ, कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं ये करती हूँ.
Wow, so sweet madam. Thank and nice voice really. And did you try it for singer?
No, I haven't learned into like professional singing or something, but as I said that I love doing like multitasking and trying new things, adventurous things. So I just thought, if I love singing, if I love music, why not to try a hand? So yeah, it was just like, it came to me like a surprise. So I went for a shoot, and my sister said her friend was into singing and all that. So she said, "Ki, let's try, why not?" You know, and I was like, "Abhi?" She said, "Yeah, why not?" So it was just like a heat of the moment, and we did it. So yeah, it was not something that I learned, and I did it.
Super. And so what did you study?
Yeah, I'm done with my master's in commerce.
Masters in
Yeah.
Commerce.
Luckily, I did it. It was tough because I wanted get into acting, and you know, I just wanted to focus on acting. But then I realized how studies are important. So yeah, luckily I just completed my master's in 2019.
ఓకే 2019లో అయిపోయింది అది.
Yeah, now none.
సో అది చెప్పండి, 2019లో నా మాస్టర్స్ అయిపోయింది.
Nah, yeah, done.
అది చెప్పండి, జస్ట్ రిపీట్ వాట్ ఐమ్ సేయింగ్.
Okay.
యా 2019లో
2019
నా మాస్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ కామర్స్
మాస్టర్స్
అయిపోయింది.
ఆఫ్ కామర్స్
అయిపోయింది.
అయిపోయింది.
సో మేడం, ఐ ప్రామిస్ యూ, అండ్ సో బిఫోర్ ఎండింగ్ ది ఇంటర్వ్యూ, అండ్ కంపల్సరీ ఐ టీచ్ యూ తెలుగు వెరీ వెల్.
Okay.
అండ్ మీరు బయటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత బాగా మాట్లాడగలరు. సో వెన్ యూ గో అవుట్ సైడ్, అండ్ యూ కెన్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు వెరీ వెల్
Okay,
ఆఫ్టర్ మై ఇంటర్వ్యూ.
Okay, let's see.
ఓకే. అండ్
Let's see.
ఇండస్ట్రీకి రావాలని ఎందుకు అనిపించింది? సో వై సీమ్ టు కమ్ టు ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Okay. I don't remember.
వాట్ ఇస్ ది రీజన్ బిహైండ్ ఆఫ్ దట్?
Okay. Since my childhood, I was like a Nautanki one, you know, like I love dancing, I love acting. I used to mimic my cousins and my uncle and my aunts, you know, the way they act, the way they move their hands and all that. So I was the one, you know, the chubby bubbly girl of the family who likes to mimic and act and dance, no matter what kind of function we had, if it is a marriage or sangeet or whatever. So people used to be like, Alisha, dance karo. You know, Alisha uski acting karke dikhao. You know, so everybody knew कि ये तो heroine ही बनने वाली है, like that. So since my childhood, I had that in me. Like acting is like inbuilt, you know. This is not something that I have learned or I admired somebody. It was just something that came by birth.
What is your first acting experience in videos or movies?
First, I did a music album, You Are So Beautiful. That was my first into acting, yeah.
Okay, tell me about your family background.
Oh, I'm fortunate that I have an amazing family, like very supportive. I don't get any kind of restrictions regarding my clothes or my education or my field of interest. I can do whatever I want. I can go wherever I want. You know, in fact, I have been given amazing like freedom of doing anything that I want. The liberty I've been given. I think I can say that I have an amazing family.
ఓకే, అంటే ఇంట్లో సపోర్ట్ ఎవరిది ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది?
The huge support, you mean?
Yeah, support. Who support very well?
Well, undoubtedly, my sister has been a great support. Also, I'd like to mention a director I worked with 4 years back, and we didn't stay in touch too much. But Bandi Saroj Kumar is the director who once said that, you know, you have great talent, so just, you know, invest it in a good place. So after 4 years I worked with him.
So आपका sister क्या करते?
Yeah, she was into acting. Like, she made a way for me. So I should get easily into this. So yeah, obviously I worked hard. I gave like more than 50 auditions for ad shoots, photo shoots, and to play a good character in a movie. But yeah, of course, you know, you have a godfather, or sometimes you have somebody who pays a way for you. So yeah.
మీకు నిర్బంధం సినిమాలో అవకాశం ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? హౌ డిడ్ యూ గెట్ ద ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇన్ నిర్బంధం మూవీ?
Okay. actually the director of Nirbandhanam. I worked with him 4 or 5 years back, and that movie didn't come out due to some reasons I am not sure about. So we were not constantly in touch, but yeah, we were like in touch. So he said that, I have great acting skills. So probably he had me in his head already, but after 4 years I'm getting a call from him. He's like, we have a 3-day shoot and I have an amazing role for you. And I couldn't deny, obviously, because I admired him a lot. He is not someone like who will, be cheesy, who will be like, oh, you're so good, oh, you're gorgeous. No, he'll be straightforward. And the hypocrisy that he doesn't carry is something that I adore a lot. So the moment I got a call from him, I was like, yes, why not? So that's how I got Nirbandham.
So wonderful. And in that movie, you did very good job. And when I'm watching that movie, so I blanked. So she's doing very well, and that is a way of behaving like. So ante amme ante ala undale. So the girl should be like that. So I hope that. And when I'm watching that movie, okay. So and this movie completely about rapists and about their behaving and about their thinking. So and in this movie they have used unparliament language, so bad language, like, so we can say that. And you also used the one word in that movie.
Ask me, oh God, you have no idea how much I struggled for that. In fact, I remember it was like all forest area kind of. And as I told you that I knew that director from a long time, so I didn't ask about the script. In fact, I was so enthusiastic that I'm going to be working with him that I didn't ask about the script. I just said yes. I don't want anything, I just said yes. So when I got the dialogues, I am all set, I'm all ready. It's midnight, it's 10 p.m. or something like that, and I got the script. And I am not someone who can abuse.
Yes.
I'm not someone who can abuse. Like, even in my friend circle, if I'm there, people are like, oh, Alisha hai, gali nahi dena. Alisha hai, gali nahi dena. I'm like... So, for me, I cried for 20-25 minutes and the director left me. He was like, just shed it out. Don't act like unprofessional. And I was like, how can he call me unprofessional? That triggered me so hard. I was like, now I'm gonna shoot it. So, I cried for 20-25 minutes. I could not say that. Like, I said the whole dialogue, but when it came to that particular word now, I was like, I'm not able to do that. How can I not do that? Then he said, don't act like an unprofessional, Alisha. And that was the moment I said, I'll show you I can do this. I can show you that I will do it now. And I just held myself and I said, Alisha, you can do it. And I took a deep breath and I did it. Ask me how difficult it was, but I did it. Because in real life also, it's so difficult for me. Like, I don't even say normal things. Like, no, it's not possible for me. So it was really tough. Really tough.
How many takes you taken for only telling the specific dialogue?
For that, usually the director appreciates me because I don't take too much takes. That is the reason he likes me. Like, he appreciates me. He doesn't be like, he's not someone who be cheesy, but yeah. So for this thing, I guess, even for this thing, I didn't take too many takes. Like, I guess 4, and I was done. Like, yeah, I didn't take too many takes.
Okay. After watching that movie and in that movie, your dialogue, and what is the reaction from your family and your friends?
My friends were like, Alisha, I mean, baki sab theek hai ye? You said it. Everybody went crazy. I was like, don't ask me. How did I say that? Everybody, kaise boli tu? Bata. How did you do it? Because in real life, I don't do that. In fact, I am like, stop it. You know, मेरे सामने nobody is like Alisha है गाली नहीं देना like that. So everybody wanted to know how did I do that. तो I say कि ask my director. And trust me, he was the only one who could have made me do that. Anybody else could have been there, I would have not said that. He was the one who triggered me so badly that I did it. And the thing, I have faith in my director. And that is the reason it got me a seriousness and I could perform. So, yeah.
So, did you feel after watching that movie, so I did mistake, I did wrong, so I felt very bad. So, I like that.
Actually, for a couple of days, I didn't even watch my own section. I watched every section. Like there were like 3 sections, 3 or 4, I guess. So there were chapters. Mine was 3rd chapter of the movie. I watched 1st chapter, 2nd chapter. I didn't watch mine. I watched 4th chapter. But then I realized I have to. Some other day I have to, because people will ask me about it, and how am I going to answer if I don't know about it? So when I watched it, the way people were appreciating me for doing something that is out of my comfort zone, that was the moment I felt, okay, I didn't do anything wrong. Because that is the demand of the time. You know, I can't just be like, oh, I will not do this, oh, I will not do that. You know, I'm an artist. I have to adapt and I have to be what I'm not. So, yeah, I did not regret it.
Do you have any sweet memory working with Bandi Saroj Kumar?
Yeah, many memories I have. The best one, I said, ki, you know, he just know how to make me work. He knows me very well. Ki, you know, how can he just make me do something that I don't want to, or that is something out of my comfort zone. So that is one thing. And 4 years back when we worked, I still remember that I was supposed to, you know, I'm someone who doesn't like makeup. And he was the first director I worked with who said, I don't need makeup. I want your natural face and natural skin. And that was the moment I started following him as a director who I'm never going to forget. Because I admire someone who likes to put things in real. Like, he doesn't fake. He doesn't want something that, you know, is artificial.
Yeah.
So that is a memory still in my head. Ki, you know, he likes natural, and he wanted my skin to be natural. No makeup, no hairstyle, just who I am. So yeah.
Okay. And just tell me about Bandi. So Bandi Saroj unna 2 good qualities and 2 bad qualities.
Good qualities is like, he is someone you can rely on. You can completely have faith on him. He is not going to harm you. He's not going to do anything that doesn't suit you. And he'll you know, bring you as someone out of the box. Not something that's really common, you know. He'll bring you up out of the box. And it's gonna be less if I talk about him in a positive way, but yeah, negative is something that sometimes he
anger.
No, that is perfectly fine, because you know, you work so much, so you have that temperament. Sometimes he gets too straightforward that I'm like, don't yell at me, I didn't do anything. Don't yell at me. So sometimes, yeah, when he gets loaded, so sometimes he yells, but that is perfectly fine. When you know him personally, it's perfectly fine.
Okay, if you want to do some movie and any movie, so why do you prefer, a role or money?
I want a character that people are going to remember, like this one. Oh, Nirbandham Cycle Girl. You know, people will remember me. You know, that is what matters for me. I don't want to do 100 films. I want to do 50 films which will remain in people's heart and mind forever. So yeah, a character matters for me.
Okay. Which kind of movies you want to do?
Anything that gives me challenge. Anything that challenges me.
Genres like a horror genre, or romantic, or like that?
I'm an adaptive person, so anything is going to be fine with me until and unless it's something that I have done already. So I want something out of the box.
Okay. Can you do any romantic roles if anybody refers you?
Why not? As I said, I'm an artist. I love challenges and I would love to act, but obviously there has to be an amazing story. The story has to be like, oh wow, I want to do this. So the script has to be...
Okay. And so actually I have some pictures of you in my phone, and
Okay.
just like me, so many people want to know about those pictures, and so I want to reveal that. Okay, so I will show you the pictures,
Okay.
and you can say.
Acha. So I have to explain what
yeah,
it
explain.
is. Okay, fine.
ఏంటో చాలా కష్టపడి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది ఏంటో చాలా కొత్తగా ఉంది అబ్బాయి ఫీల్ అయితే. సో ఇలాంటి 2-3 ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తే నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ ఫర్ అయిపోతుంది. సో అలిసి డైలీ వస్తుంటే బాగుంటుందేమో నా ఫీలింగ్. ఓకే, ఠీకే. మై ఎస్టర్డే ఐ వాచ్ దిస్, I saw this.
Oh God. Yeah.
Okay. What is the story behind of these pictures?
Acha, this one. Okay. This was the first time I met Sonu Kakkar, like Neha Kakkar's elder sister. So this was my sister's marriage actually.
Okay.
So as I told you, I am someone people would want, Alisha dance karo, Alisha gana gao, you know, like that in the family. So it was my family function, and she was singing, so how can I stop dancing? So we were sharing stage, I was dancing and she was singing.
Really, you looks like very pretty in this picture.
Choti Alisha.
Choti Alisha.
Yeah.
नीचे लिखा ना अभी.
It was 10 years ago.
Yeah, 10 years
10
ago.
more than I can say 10 years. I was 15, 16 something.
Okay. Super. And in this picture, what happened to you, Brahma?
Acha.
क्या है ये आंखें?
Arey, this is a picture from Jubilee Arts. Okay, there was an event. I was supposed to perform evil and angel, like devil and angel.
Yeah.
So there was supposed to be a concept. That was the agenda. So I made a concept ki devil and angel. Like I have both. It depends upon you. The way you behave, the way you act will be my reaction. Like if you are nice to me, I'll be good to you. But if you are not good to me, then you know I have a devil too. Like that.
Okay, and according to you, what is your devil or angel? What do you feel?
As I said, you know, it depends upon... See, I won't say that I'm a good person or, you know, I'm so good, this and that. No, it depends upon how you behave with me. I'm not going to be someone, you know, who will be nice to you, even if you are, you know, behaving abruptly the way you want. So the one who is nice with me, I'm going to be nice. The one who doesn't be good to me, you know, I'll show how to be worse.
Okay, and so in this picture your getup is very nice and unique.
Yeah,
Tell
Kashmiri
me
Kali.
about this story.
Okay, we were the seniors of the college, and we were supposed to anchor
Farewell
the
party.
show. No. This was anchoring event.
Okay.
So I was the senior of my college, and I was the leader, cultural committee leader. So I was supposed to show versatility. So it was an anchoring function of mine, and I thought of doing something, because South Indian people usually do, Maharashtrian people usually do. Nobody came up with something like this. As I told you, I want always to think something different, you know, I want to do something unique. So I thought, why not Kashmiri Kali? Nobody has done that ever before. So I just tried that. That's my mom's kurti actually. So the shawl is my nani's, the kurti is my mom's, and the dupatta is mine, of course.
Pura milke.
Yeah. So that's not a costume actually, that's something I made it up.
Okay, so if you want to choose only one profession, so anchor and singer, so which is you prefer?
Anchor or
Singer.
That's difficult because both of them are only one. Why?
How to choose only one?
Why only one? I mean, both are something. Then
if in case in future, so
I think anchoring, because with anchoring I can sing, but with singing I can't anchor. So with anchoring I can sing. So yeah, anchoring.
Okay. And what is this?
Oh God, these are my certificates and my awards that I grabbed from my childhood till now.
మరి ఇన్ని సర్టిఫికేట్సా? నాకు డిగ్రీ, ఇంటర్, 10th ఈ 3 తప్పించడానికి ఇంకా ఏం లేవు. ఈ మధ్య చూసిర్రా 20-30 ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 30 ఉంటాయి. 50 అది నేను ఇంకా చాలా బచ్చా నేను. ఓకే. అండ్ సో టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ దిస్ పిక్చర్.
Anchoring again.
Anchoring.
Yeah.
So but I'm sorry, I'm asking about this expression in this picture.
As I told you, anchoring me.
ऐसा चल जा रहा है क्या हुआ है ऐसा.
No, I'm telling you now, I'm like expression queen. Just ask me, I'm like I make worse faces on this planet. Like I'm so bad. Like I make all the time. So while anchoring I was singing. As I told you, anchoring me I can sing, you know. So I was singing a song, Marathi song. Yeah. So I was singing song, I still remember, and I made that face and the photographer clicked it.
Real nice. ऐसा.
Yeah, I get annoyed easily. Like, what are you doing? You know, like, I'm gosh.
When I'm watching this picture, I laughed very well. See, oh my God, what is this expression like that?
Yeah, I get annoyed easily. Like.
Okay, and so आकाशम नी हद्दुरा. So अब इसी मूवी में आप एक रोल किया ना?
Surarai Pothru. Yeah.
So how was your experience, working experience with Surya garu?
Honestly, I was so much into my zone, I didn't realize that I'm working with a huge actor initially, because I'm not aware of the Telugu or Tamil industry, but I knew he is an amazing actor. I knew that. But like I was so much into, like, you know, because I was giving my exam as well at that moment of time. But then when I realized, oh, Alisha, you know, like that, oh, Surya, okay. So he was being so nice, so gentle. Like he also appreciated me. You know, we had a conversation. Initially we did not, but then we had, because obviously we were having tics because of background artists and all that. So even the director, she was being like so nice and gentle and humble. You know, just do this way, do that way. Even he was suggesting me, you know, if you put your hand like this, it'll gonna look good. So I thought he's not gonna even talk to me. But then it turned out that he was really kind. So it was obviously an outstanding experience for me.
Okay, did you watch any movie of Surya?
I did, but I don't remember the name because it's in Telugu. So yeah, but I did. And he acts amazing. He prepares so much, like he's all, even if it's a cut na, he's yeah, like that. So I learned that from him.
తెలుగు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీ రాకముందు బాలీవుడ్లో ఎన్ని సినిమాలు చేసినారు? సో బిఫోర్ యూ కమింగ్ టు తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, అండ్ హౌ మెనీ మూవీస్ యూ డిడ్ ఇన్ బాలీవుడ్?
Actually, I got offers for Bollywood, but I'm waiting for something that suits me the best. So currently, I'm looking for something that is gonna look. So it's okay if it's a short time role, but I want it to, you know, एक stamp आ जाना चाहिए लोगों के दिमाग में कि okay, Alisha did this, like that. So I'm waiting for the perfect role for me in Bollywood.
Which kind of role you want to work with Bollywood?
Not something that I'm dancing behind the trees or, you know, just that girl and a boy and like that, but something that's something Anushka Sharma did in PK. Short time role, but you know, you remember, oh wow, what a role she played. You know, I admire her a lot. So like that, something like that.
Okay, what's your upcoming movies in Telugu or Bollywood?
Currently I'm working for a skincare product, and I'm focused on it because I'm actually testing it, like how is it gonna work, if it works or not, so that you know, I don't break people's trust. So I'm currently focused on that.
who is your inspiration to act?
Inspiration, until now I had no one as such in head, but the way I'm seeing Priyanka working, you know, and Selena Gomez especially, because I have seen a couple of videos where she has shared how she has been struggling through, you know, hard times, and she has come up so well. So that strength in women, you know, I look forward for that. You know, I'm gonna be like that one day, probably in a different way, but yeah, like that.
Yeah, definitely you will be reach that stages. I wish that.
I hope so.
Okay, and so సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలో మీరు ఏమైనా స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఫేస్ చేసారా? సో డిడ్ యూ ఫేస్ ఎనీ స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఇన్ ఆఫ్టర్ కమింగ్ టు మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Of course I did. I mean, who doesn't fail? Even to come up here, like it was obviously, you know, and it's good to fail. It's perfectly fine, you know, to fail, because that means that you are trying. You know, if you are failing, that means you are trying. At least you didn't quit. At least you didn't stop somewhere. Rather than sitting home and, you know, drinking coffees and eating mugs and mugs of ice cream, it's better to try and fail and learn, and you'll get through it.
So will you share one very harsh moment, hurting moments of you?
I worked on my dance for movie because I love dancing.
Okay.
So they said we want a lead role for a female.
Okay.
And she is a dancer. Also she is a choreographer in the movie. So I worked real hard. Like I kept on drinking green tea so that, you know, I maintain my body. Like I said, Mama, I'm not gonna eat food, I'm gonna go eat salads and all that. So
Dedication.
yeah,
That's
you
called
know,
dedication
like,
work.
matlab total like a pro. So I said ki, you know, I'm just gonna maintain myself, this and that. But I kept on following if I got the role or not. I gave my audition, I danced. They said we want contemporary dance, and I'm a freestyle dancer, so I can adapt anything but hip hop. So I performed and I kept on following them if I got the role or not. That was the only role I actually worked hard from, apart from the Nirbandham thing, where I actually slept on the terrace to get the tan. Because the director was like, you know, you have to look really dull and you have to look really dark, so just get suntan. How much you can, just get a suntan. So I used to just go and sleep on the terrace so that I can get the tan. But apart from that, I really worked on my dance for this project, but it didn't come out that I got selected, or nobody responded actually. So that was really like painful because I really worked on that. So
एक्टिंग हो गया वो फिल्म में पूरा? शेड्यूल्स पूरा हो गया?
I'm not sure because I didn't follow with them what exactly, but I don't know what is happening with them. I guess the project is yet to get started, I guess. So they haven't begun anything, right?
Okay, so and except film industry, and what is your sweet memory in your life?
Sweet memory.
Yeah.
My college days, like, you know, those were the days I can also phase where there was a complete week where I stayed in Mumbai for an event called Diamond Jubilee. That was the week I can never ever forget in my life, because people were trying so hard to get into anchoring for that event, and for me it came for a surprise. I got a call ki, you know, we saw your video on Facebook, you really did well, why didn't you try for this? I said, nobody told me. So he sent me a script. He said, just read it and send it to me. And I just recorded my voice and I sent him, and he said, you are selected. Within like first day he didn't respond, and I thought कि चलो कोई और select हो गया होगा. Second day he said कि तुमको निकलना है 24th को मुंबई के लिए, be ready. Whereas everybody were supposed to leave on 25th or 26th, and he asked me to leave on 23rd or 24th, I still remember. And my like everybody was like, "तू यहाँ कैसे पहुँच गई?" You know, it was such a huge event, and I was like, ये कैसे हो गया? So that was a very sweet memory for me because I didn't try for it and it came to me like a surprise. So that was the memory I'll never ever forget in my life.
And bad memory, very sad.
Very sad.
Yeah.
This is funny actually, not sad. It's hilarious. My sister yelled at me. And I left my home. I said I'll go Mumbai. I left my home, I packed my bag, my sister went to shoot. So I was all alone at my place and my mom was at my Masi's place. So I was all alone. So I packed my bag, I called up my friend in Mumbai. I said, I'm going to be reaching soon, so can you just come and pick me up? She said, why not? And she was very happy and she said, I'll pick you up and all that. And I had that basic phone, not even the smartphone.
Okay, I can understand. Dabba phone.
Ha, dabba phone like that. I had that dabba phone. So I couldn't even check my tickets. So I asked her to check the tickets, if trains are available, if flights are available. I ran. It was 7:45. I ran from my home.
Oh my God. Urikindanta.
I ran from my home. I said I'll give audition to in Yashraj office and I'll become a heroine and I'll show everyone who am I. So I ran and I reached Mumbai and I walked. I literally walked because I didn't have money, right? I mean, I mean, जितना भी बेड के नीचे या पर्स में I just grabbed all the notes and I just went. So I walked with my suitcase because I said मुझे अच्छा तो दिखना है. I packed all my clothes, all my makeup, and with a trolley suitcase I was walking. I asked कि यशराज का ऑफिस कहाँ पर है? It's been like 4 to 5 years I guess now. So 4 years back. 5 years back in fact. So I said यशराज का ऑफिस कहाँ मिलेगा? यशराज का ऑफिस. I was asking everyone यशराज का ऑफिस कहाँ मिलेगा? And I actually found it.
Okay.
Yeah, and there was this guy who said portfolio कहाँ है आपका? And I didn't know portfolio and all. 5 years back, how would I know? So I said portfolio तो नहीं है, but आप मेरा audition ले लो, मैं बहुत अच्छी acting करती हूँ. And that guy, he yelled at somebody who came before me. I still remember.
Okay.
But he took my audition. And I still remember I was holding that slate and I gave my profiles. And it was and nobody revered me कि select हुआ या नहीं हुआ, nothing. But so I was very sad. Even now I feel sad कि shit, कोई तो call आ जाए कि you know किसी ने कहीं से देख लिया हो, कोई तो call करो. So it's
किसी ने करा
कोई call नहीं आया. So मैं यशराज के ऑफिस में थी, how can I not get a call? So it's sad.
They felt happy. हाँ चलो जाएंगे, जाने दो.
Yeah, I mean it's sad to feel, but it's hilarious. But it's sad as well, you know. So yeah.
Okay. How many kilometers you walked?
Whole day I was walking. I was watching the showrooms and clothings. I watched the beach. I went alone on the beach. Yeah. I kept my suitcase and I removed my slippers and I was just like enjoying the beach all alone. I was like, this is so much fun.
Free but like
and people are so helpful in Mumbai. Trust me. I had that vada pav in 15 rupees and my tummy was full. Next day I got food poisoning. That is different story. But yeah, it was like 15 rupees and I'm done with my lunch and dinner as well. Like fine. So it was like people are amazing there. I mean they were very friendly. कि हाँ मैम उधर जाओ बेटा आप कहाँ से हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो? Because I was tiny tot, you know, like slim and छोटू सी. So people were very friendly. So
okay.
Yeah.
And so tell about Telugu film industry in few words. So how do you feel after coming?
It's very warm, very warm. Yeah, like although I didn't understand Telugu, nobody mistreated me ever. They're like, it's okay, you don't understand, we'll explain you. Ashok Anna was AD when I was shooting for a serial, Telugu serial. So he explained, although he was rushing here and there all the time behind every artist, he made sure that he explains me the shot beforehand so that I can give expressions and prepare accordingly. So when it comes to Telugu industry, people are really warm, very warm. they are welcoming, they are warm, nobody will disrespect you, nobody will misjudge you. They'll always be upfront to be there by your side if you need any help. So yeah, warm, I would say.
Okay, how they receiving you? How they receiving you? Telugu film industry.
Yeah, that's what I said. They're very welcoming, you know. They won't say ki अरे इसको तो तेलुगु भी नहीं आती, like that, you know. Or they'll make fun of me, or they'll abuse, or they'll be like, puss, 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 like that. They'll be like, हम ऐसा बात कर रहे हैं, like that. They're very welcoming and warm.
First crush?
No one.
मैडम आप झूठ
No one, trust me.
झूठ बोल रही मैं.
Trust me. No one.
I don't trust
Nana
you.
Patekar, I love. Nana Patekar. I with all respect, I say Nana Patekar is someone I really look forward working like.
Okay. Except films, so in personal lives, do you have any crushes?
No.
So okay,
People feel I'm committed, but no, I'm not. I didn't find that right person yet. Yeah, I was close to people, like close, like, okay, fine, but not my type.
ఎలాంటి అబ్బాయి కావాలనుకుంటున్నారు? ఎలాంటి అబ్బాయి కావాలనుకుంటున్నారు? Which type of persons you want to do?
Someone who is transparent. Someone who is transparent. Actually, I never thought of it that way. What kind of person I want. This is not something like a shopping list I can make, and but somebody who is transparent, and that love shouldn't fade away by the time. That is really important. That love should remain the way it was in the initial stages of life, love life. So yeah.
Super. And in your future, so you should get married. So which kind of boy you want to marry?
Somebody who doesn't hide things and be transparent in front of me. Even if he doesn't like anything about me, he should tell straight on my face, rather than keeping it mum just because he loves me. I want someone who is outspoken rather than hiding things, saying, no, yeah, it's okay, I love her, I'll just manage. No, I don't want somebody who manages. So I want somebody who just says, Alisha, I don't like this, and yeah, that way. Now that you're talking, I'm thinking so much. Oh God. I didn't get time to think about a boy or a relationship ever. Like, now I'm thinking.
Okay. So, if in case you got an opportunity as a heroine, so then which
many. Yeah.
Telugu pe?
Telugu mein mass hero.
Raviteja.
Ravi Teja.
Mass Maharaja bol raha.
No, not Mass Maharaja. Dada hilte to mass, dada chalte to mass, dada hero of that. Chiranjeevi, I guess.
Yeah, Chiranjeevi. Megastar Chiranjeevi.
Yeah, Chiranjeevi. Yeah, Chiranjeevi maybe.
बड़ा स्टार है तेलुगु पे.
Chiranjeevi.
So सार का मूवीज देखा है अब?
हाँ. See, I'm telling you now, I watch movies, but I don't remember the name because it's kind of difficult for me. Otherwise, yeah, I watch Telugu movies.
If in case you have a chance to work with Bangar Raju, so then you will do or not?
Oh,
I want to know this answer. Tell me.
This is like test for me. Like work like what? Anchoring or interview? Or
No, not interview. And it's like heroine, and I am as a hero, and you are heroine.
Have to think. We'll tell you after 3 days.
Oh my God. Okay, tell about your beauty secret to so many girls. They want to know how is she very beautiful, and how is she shining. So they want to know answer. So what is the secret behind of that?
I use less chemicals on my face. Like even if I have acne or pimples.
But you are promoting some products now. So I dekha.
Yeah. So I just maintain that I eat healthy rather than applying so much of products on my face. I make sure that I eat healthy because coconut water especially, it really helps.
Okay.
Anything that is related with coconut water or coconut oil or coconut serums, they all works wonders for me. So healthy food is something that I prefer at the first stage, and then anything that has mild pH value.
Okay, so tell me truth and very straightforwardly. So how I'm looking and how I'm. So nela unna and my looking is handsome or not?
Just like an anchor should. You look just like an anchor should.
Of course, but so face का कैसा लग रही है आपको ये देखने का? मैं अच्छा कैसा लग रही है?
You want me to say that
Handsome or not?
you want me to say you look like a Telugu hero? You want me to say that?
No,
Then I'll say that.
no. Just I want to know your opinion on me and
See,
when you see my face. So
Let me tell you one thing.
not face and when you see me. बोलिए मैडम.
अच्छा.
कुछ नहीं होता. मैं बोलिए. कैसा लग रही है आपको मैं मुझे देखेंगे बाद में?
Okay, let me tell you honestly, every person is beautiful in their own ways, okay?
Everybody will say like that. Please, just tell me honestly about me and so
somebody who can do an advertisement of bike bike model, like that, bike model, somebody like that.
Me?
Yeah.
Me అట్లున్నాను. Okay, so నేను బైక్ మోడల్ లాగా ఉన్నానంట. And so thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, madam, for coming here. So,
thank you for having me here.
And thank you for spending your valuable time with me. And if in case there is any mistakes in my way of pronunciation and my language, so don't mind it. So
no,
because
not at all.
Because I don't know English very much. And
see, you
so,
at least tried.
Yeah.
Don't be apologetic when you have worked hard for it.
So I hope you understand.
Definitely.
And so may all dreams come true.
Thank you.
And definitely, so you have to be like higher position, and so then then also I will come you and I will take interview, and you have to give your interview for me.
Absolutely, undoubtedly.
Okay? So just remember these words. Okay, and let's yeah. Thank you so much. And finally, so if you want to say anything to fans or audience,
just be happy, be who you are, and have an optimistic attitude, have a positive attitude. No matter if you fail 100 times, just keep on trying. It's better to keep on trying rather than stopping and sleeping and mourning over things that upsets you. Just think that something better is on your way always. That's it.
Super man, thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, and చూసారు కదా ఇది వాళ్ళ ఇంటర్వ్యూ విత్ అలీషా మిలన్ గారు. అండ్ నాకు తెలుసు సో ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు అందరూ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు, ఎందుకంటే సో వాడు ఎవరినో ఇంగ్లీష్ బట్ సో ట్రై చేసినాను అండ్ అది ఒకటి గుర్తుంచుకోండి, అంతేగాని ఏమైనా తప్పులు మాట్లాడుతుంటే కనుక కంపల్సరీ క్షమించండి అండ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ సారీ ఫర్ దట్. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. అంటే కీప్ స్మైలింగ్, బీ హ్యాపీ, లవ్ యూ ఆల్, టేక్ కేర్. నేను బంగారాజు, లవ్ యూ ఆల్, బాయ్.